All right, so now how do we create a new environment? So let's go into our Anaconda folder and let's go into the envs folder, which will list for us all the current environments that are installed or that are included in our directory. So you'll see here that I have three of them, and this is not including the base environment. The base environment is always there, but these are the extra ones that I have created. So um, let's say, for example, you want to create a new one now. It's very easy. We'll just type in conda space, that's the command, right? Create, and then dash dash name, and then the name of the environment that you want to create. I would recommend that you would choose a descriptive name, something that will make sense, something that will be easily identifiable for you and others that you might be working with. So let's say, for example, you want to create a environment that is for some kind of GitHub project that's out there that you want to play around with. So you'll just type in maybe like GitHub, you know, machine learning environment, and just type in enter, and it will create the environment for you. You want to proceed? Yes. Now that you've created it, that doesn't mean that it is the active environment. The active environment is still the base environment, as you can see here. If you want to activate the environment, therefore, whatever changes or whatever additions, installations that you're going to be making to have it take effect on the new environment, you have to activate this environment. As you can see here, all you have to type in conda activate and then the name of the environment that you just created. And now you can see that you're in the new environment. So anything new that you install, any changes that you make in this environment will be in the GitHub ML env environment. Now, if you want to deactivate this environment, meaning go back to the previous environment, you just type in deactivate and it will take you back to the base environment as you can see here. All right. Now, one small thing here is that if you're using Linux or Mac, you'll just type in instead of source, you'll instead of typing in activate, you'll have to first put source and then activate, and then whatever we just mentioned before, or source deactivate. Um, then the environment name. And however, we'll be using Windows from now on, so we'll just use the way that I had showed you previously by just typing in conda activate and then the environment name. Now, the best way to really list all the environments that you have installed is by typing conda env list, and this will show you all the environments that are currently available. Base, which is the one that you're on right now, and the one that, that comes pre-installed, and then these are the ones that we installed, and here are the locations of each environment. As you can see that these are all in envs, meaning the one that you created after the base. Now, if you want to remove an environment that you created, so that's also pretty simple. You just type in conda, which is the command, and then env remove, and then dash dash name, and then the name of the environment you want to remove. So let's say GitHub, and I want to remove it. I'm going to press enter, and then if you look again, you'll see that it is not included in that list and it's successfully removed.